Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by forcing Windows into the recovery environment. This is where repair tools live. Press and hold Shift while selecting Restart or interrupt boot 3 times if the system won't load. If that fails, plug in a prepared Windows 10/11 USB and change UEFI boot order to boot from it. Once you reach Choose an option, pick Troubleshoot. Make sure you have administrator credentials nearby. Some options require them, and proceed to Advanced Options to continue. Once in Advanced Options, try Automatic Repair to quickly resolve common boot issues. If it fails, open Command Prompt. You'll run bootrec commands to repair MBR and BCD. bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, bootrec/scanos, then bootrec/rebuild. If you get access denied, use diskpart to select the system partition and assign a letter, then run bcdbootc \Windows to recreate boot files. Take it step by step, and verify each command's success before moving on. When commands complete, remove any USB and reboot to test. If Windows boots, return to UEFI and set the internal drive as primary to avoid repeated USB boots. If problems persist, boot back to Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, then chkdsk/f on the Windows volume to fix disk errors. One key troubleshooting tip. If bootrec reports failure to rebuild BCD, export and rename the old BCD and run BCD.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.